My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 Renault Captur. This vehicle has done just under 20,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel tank. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On the screen we can get quick access to radio, media, phone, driving eco, navigation and our settings. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.